Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alpha Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Gators. This is my second visit to their campus. I just had a series of assemblies in the cafeteria again for all the grades. We had K through 6, 3 separate student assemblies, and then we also had a parent session tonight. That was based on positivity, being your best self. But for the youth programs, that focused on diversity, our differences, both outer and inner, the need to accept everybody no matter what, right? And the need for human kindness, which is the sub-theme and what it says on the front of my shirt. And it's so important we show this. We see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. But there's also 2 people inside this heart, this design that my friend and I did a few years ago. And that's because we have to show kindness not only to ourselves, but to others too. And when we do say something kind or do something kind, right? It may not just affect that person or persons that we're doing it towards. It could be anybody that's in eyesight or earshot of that kind word or that kind deed. It could change their heart in a positive way too. Sometimes forever, right? That one act of kindness just keeps growing and growing and growing. And for as much as, we give, we also receive that much more, because it feels good to do something kind, right? And it starts to change our hearts. It might change the people around us and start to change a whole school community as well. And the students really got that, right? Through the different motivational videos that I played, the positive hip hop music, the hand motion rap, the regular hip hop as well. We had some heartfelt stories, a couple of visual aid props, and all that was to hammer home these underlying principles of unconditional love and knowing that we always have a choice, right? To choose kindness, to choose love in a world where you can be anything, be kind, right? And so again, it was such an inspiring morning and early afternoon with the students, but then when we went with the parents and quite a few youth who came as well, that focus was more on positivity, where it's easy to be positive on days like today. Sun is shining, beautiful day here in Madera, but on the days when it's not, or there's also something maybe like a storm going on in here in our hearts or at home, maybe a tough subject here at school, a tough friendship, learning a new lesson, all these things that are difficult, those are opportunities to make us stronger if we let them, right? And we know that that gives us hope to know that, yes, we might go through some really, really tough things in our life, but those can always, make us better for it if we allow that to happen, and know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up, right? We can fail again and again and again, but if we stop trying, then we have no chance to finally succeed, right? So we always keep our head up. We always keep persevering, keep persisting and pushing until success happens, and know that, it's up to us to still be that change, to still work hard, to still give the effort. And if we plant those positive thoughts in here or in here, your brain or your heart, whatever you tell it, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it anything negative anymore. We want to replace that with this positivity. And this world needs a lot more of that, a lot more kindness, and a lot more positive leaders. So thanks for touching my heart. It's another beautiful day here at Alpha. I hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.